Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Better Way of Learning, and today we are here with the calculation of mode, that is the remainder. Here generally we have three types of the questions where we have to find remainder. The first type is of the simple type, which is usually used in our daily life, in our mathematics, uh, below grade 10. And type 2, that is of the tricky types, and type 3, which we need to calculate and takes a little bit time during the calculation. Without any delay, I would like to proceed our video. First of all, we will go with type 1. For the question like type 1, finding the mode or remainder of the type 1, we can, if we are allowed to use calculator, we can directly use the formula for the type 1. For example, one number 263 mod 14, it can be calculated by using the formula a minus a divided by b into b. For using the formula, we have to set our calculator. Set of first we have to do is, I'm sorry, I'll from the beginning, I'll do it from the beginning. First, go to the menu button, go to number 3, that is base n. First step is go to menu, then to 3, and you see this type of interface where it will be decimal, seen decimal in the FX991EX calculator. Now let us calculate the mode. The mode can be calculated as 263 a minus a means 263 divided by b means 14 into b. Yeah, I hope you are seeing this. 11 will be the required answer. 11 is the remainder. You can do it as well by using 991 ES calculator. For this, you have to do is go to mode, go to phone number base n. You will find this type of interface, and the same formula is used. Type 263 minus 263 divided by 14 into 14. We'll find the same answer, 11. Okay, now let's try the same with the question number 2, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 mode 224. Let us try. 1 2 3 4 5 6 minus 1 2 3 4 5 6 divided by 224 into 224. You'll find here 32. 32 will be the required remainder of this number. This is of the type 1. Now we will go to the next type 2. Before going to type 2, I would like to say how it is calculated, actual process that is involved in this calculation of the remainder. You can do it by actual process. For example, I will take one number example, 263 divided by 14. Find first this by using calculator. Simple mode. 263 divided by 14. You will find the number 18.7856. 571,429. You have to subtract this number before the decimal point, is minus 18, and multiply it by this divider into 14. We'll find the remainder as remainder बराबर 11. This is of the simplest type, type 1, and we will go to type 2. Type 2. Before going to type 2, I would like to say something. I will give something knowledge to you before starting this. If A बराबर B mod C, where if A is divided by C, then B will be the remainder. It can be written when A is divided by C, B will be the remainder. If this happens, then A to the power M बराबर B to the power M mod C. That is, type 2 question is totally based on this formula. This is a remainder theorem. If A is divided by C gives the remainder B, then if A to the power M is divided by C, then the remainder will be B to the power M. I hope you got it. Now let's take example number 1. 25 to the power 1 2 3 4 mod 24 बराबर is calculated as, first, if 25 is divided by 24, we will get the remainder 1. That is, if 25 is divided by 25 mod 24 will be 1. Then from this theorem we can say that 25 को power 1 2 3 4 will be equal to 1 को power 1 2 3 4 mod C, which will be 1. This is the tricky type question. Similarly, for next number like 5 to the power 32 mod 4, simply we can know the answer. When 5 is divided by 4, the remainder will be 1, and if 5 to the power 32 is divided by 4, then the remainder will be 1 to the power 32, which is equal to 1. I hope you got it. Now we will go to the type 3 type question. Let's go to type 3 type question. Type 3. Type 3 is the combination of type 2 and type first and type 2, where you have to know the both types, type 1 and type 2, and you will simply know the type 3 question. And you have to remember is that the simple knowledge you must have is, if a power m is raised to the power n, then it can be written as a power m into n. Similarly, a power m into a power n is given as a power m plus n. Also, you have to, I have already told that if a बराबर b mod c, that is, when a is divided by c, then b will be the remainder. If this is the given condition, then a को power m बराबर b को power m mod c. That is, when a को power m is divided by c, if this condition is given, when a को power m is divided by c, then the remainder will be b को power m. Also, if some number say d is multiplied to a को power m, then the remainder will be d into b को power m mod c. This is the condition which I'm going to make it learn. Now let us take the example. Example number 1. 5 to the power 32 mod 224 barabar what? For this, I will start with a number that is near to 224 or greater than this. 5 to the power 3, I will try this. 125 means it is smaller than this, so I will try 5 to the power 4, 625. 5 to the power 4, it is 625. Yeah, 625. First find 625 mod 224. You can find, as I have already told you, go to this 625 minus 625 divided by 224 into 224, 170, 177, 177, that is mod 224. Hope you got it. Now if raise the power to 2, you will get 177 square mod 224. Similar method is used. In here you cannot raise power by somewhere, so any number, so you have to write by this form: 177 into 177 minus 177 into 177 divided by 2 to 4 into 2 to 4. You will get the answer 193. 5 to the 4 to the 8, 5 to the power 8 barabar 193 mod 224. Again we will repeat, 8 square barabar 193 square mod 224. Doing the similar way, 193 minus 193 into 193 divided by 2 to 4 into 2 to 4. You will find the remainder 65 mod 2 to 4. 5 to the power 16. Again this is to be hand down, and 5 to the power 16 to the 32 will be 65 square mod 224. Similarly, 65 into 65 minus 65 into 65 divided by 224 into 224 will be 193 mod 224. 5 to the power 32. When 5 to the power 32 is divided by 224, the remainder will be 193. Similarly, next type is 5 to the power 35 mod 224 barabar what? We should proceed from this. As I have already mentioned there, 5 to the power is if any number, for if any number a is divided by c and b is the remainder, then a to the power m, but a to the power, when a to the power m is divided by c, then the remainder will be b to the power m. And another condition that can be obtained is when d is multiplied by a to the power m, then the remainder will be multiplied by the same number, as already mentioned. And here I will multiply 5 to the power 3 into 5 to the power 32. 32 plus 3, 32 plus 3 will be 35, as I have already told that a to the power m into a to the power n barabar a to the power m plus n. So 5 to the power 3 into 32 barabar the remainder 193, means 5 to the power 3 into 193 mod 224. I will calculate this. 5 to the power 3 into 193, 24125 mod 224, and this will be, now I will calculate 24125 minus 24125 divided by 224 into 224, 157. Therefore 5 power 35 more 224 बराबर 157. That's all. By using this method, you can solve any larger numbers with having the higher powers. If you find any confusion, you can comment down in the comment section, and I will try my best to so that you could know it very well. That's all in this video. Thank you. Hope you guys loved it. For further videos, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on the video. Thank you.